everyone, so again in the Cadillac VISTIQ again, we're here to show you how to access and use your heads-up display. So the heads-up display is going to be a little tricky to show on the windshield, but I'll show you how to access it on your actual infotainment. So rather than buttons or anything of the sorts, you're going to find the heads-up display settings on the left-hand side of your steering wheel on your infotainment system. You're going to click the three lines, select heads-up display, to which you can then change what you want it to show. So if you want your assist, your lane assist to show, it'll show. If you just want it standard with the odometer, that will show. If you want an augmented reality, that will show as well. And then if you swipe to the left-hand side, that's when you can actually change the position. So your height, brightness, rotation, and whether you want it on or not. For reference, this is how it looks on your windshield. It's just that it's not catching on camera. Oh, there you go. A little bit.